This is why I love this dude. Turn around, Dion. You on camera. This is a plumber on a roof, but he's airborne.
I ain't liking it.
This is my dude.
Oh, I can't move the ladder.
Oh, he can't move the ladder. What is he going to do, people out there? I'm not scared. That brother. Oh my God. Oh, but he's holding on to the good Lord. He's relaxing now. He's getting his bearings together. My brother, you better go ahead, boy. We ain't even that high. We like 12 feet. How high is this?
I don't know. It's high enough.
It's like 12 feet off the ground. This is my brother, boy. He holds it down. He said, you know what? I ain't got to do plumbing today. Let me go help my sister.
Stop, you got to
He's, oh, Lord. Oh. Well, you just relax, bro. Look how he looking over the edge. He getting tired and scared. He can't do it, but he did it good. He did well for the time he was up here. Help him, Jesus. Now you got to figure out how to get down the ladder. Oh, my God. But it's a nice view up here. Nice pool. We wish we could jump in on the neighbor's yard. It is nice. Yeah, I couldn't take a picture of him with the struggle. He done made it to the ladder. All right. Thumbs up, brother. Do thumbs up. Put your cool hat on. Put your cool hat on. There he goes. My brother. And down he goes.
This is really raggedy.
It's okay.
It looks bad.
We could fix it. Everything could be fixed.
Okay. You can't put no cork in that.
No cork.
So
Yeah, you do that. Oh, God, I tell you can't pay for stuff like this. Well, we're almost finished this little tiny roof. Very little. It's like 12 by whatever, 19. It ain't big. Almost finished. Here's my brother coming on this side. All right, people, over and out. Loretta said, Dion, get yourself down.